a house and press its crest. When everyone is done, press the gold button. Okay, young wizards, you're in Ravenclaw, Gryffindor, and now let's choose the difficulty level by pressing the corresponding button. Beginner, Advanced, Beginner. Alright, I'm going to give you some facts about the Harry Potter universe. It's up to you to guess if they're true or false. If you get it right, your house earns 10 points. Otherwise, it loses 20 points. All houses start with 200 points. At the end of the school year, the house with the most points wins the House Cup.
That would be me.
Round 1. In this round, I'll decide who's going to answer. To give your answer, first press your crest. Then press the gold button for true or the silver for false. Let's go! True or false? In the Forest of Dean, Harry and his friends are captured by the Death Eaters. Gryffindor student, what do you think? That was false. Good job. 10 points to Gryffindor. True or false? Gregorovich reveals the location of the Elder Wand to Voldemort. Gryffindor student,